Dear students, today we will learn that how we can add two fractions in an easy way. Like for example, I have this fraction 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. How I can add them? If the denominator is same, then I will add the numerators. Look, this is so simple. You can add like this. And if the denominators are not same, I know this question comes in your mind. For example, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So now how I can add them? And now I will check. 4 is a multiple of 2. So it means I have to make 2 a 4. How I will make 2 a 4? You know this. We can apply only multiplication. We have to make the denominator same. Otherwise we cannot add the fractions. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and in the denominator both. Why? Because it's a rule of maths. By this the fraction will become balanced. That's why we multiply the numerator as well. Instead we have to make the numerator same with that denominator of the second fraction. So I will write 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It becomes, now it becomes just like this one. So it's 3 by 4. By this you can add different types of fractions. Now I have more examples, like 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now how I can add them? 2 whole 1 by 3, you know it's a mixed fraction. If you don't know, you can see the shorts or the videos I have uploaded on my channel. Okay, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. What you will do, you will multiply 3 with 2. Same steps. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, you will do same steps. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So it will become 7 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now, how you will add them? The second example we have done, you will multiply this fraction with 3 and you will multiply this fraction with 5. Why? Because 3 and 5 are not the multiple of each other. That's why these are not the multiples of each other. That's why we will multiply cross check. Like this fraction will multiply with this denominator and this fraction will multiply with this denominator. And it will become 35 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Now look, the denominator is same. Now you can add them. 35 plus 3 by 15. So it's 38 by 15. This is your answer. Okay, and if the question is that you have to convert this into a mixed fraction like this one, then how you will do that? You will, I'm showing the steps here. 38 by 15. Okay, what is 15 times table? 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30. This is the same step that I am doing. You have to do like that. 5 times 2 is 30 and 38 doesn't come in 15 times table. It means 38 is not a multiple of 15. So I will separate the multiple from 38 and I will write like this. The remaining is 8 by 15. First step is this. Then I will read the table. 15 times 2 is 30. So I will write 2 instead of this fraction and it will become a mixed fraction. You will convert like this. I am repeating the steps that you will read the tables of 15 times table, then it becomes 30. 38 doesn't comes in 15 times tables. It means 38 is not a multiple of 15. So I will separate the multiple, that is 30. It comes in 15 times table. You can read. So I will separate it and the remaining part will become this, and then I will read the table. 15 times 2 is 30, so I will write 2 and this fraction becomes like this. Okay, now if you have any questions, and for subtraction same, The same steps are for subtraction. So if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe whenever I will upload new videos.